nigga won't knock you off. Hate the way a nigga learn the ball. All the war, common law, straight killer, that's mama fault. Dope boy, my DNA, straight chips, Frito-Lay, A-Clips, A-Jose, Hector, Mount Ego straight. Don't want no beef, I may crack your taco. I'm screaming rest in peace, Griselda Blanco. I got that Justin Bieber, believe. I hate that pussy, can you keep a secret? Benzo on foes, nigga, counting all my hoes, nigga. That's all I knows, nigga, that's all y'all hoes, nigga. I got a bad bitch in my Chevy, selling Miley Cyrus in my brand new money collar. I got that Justin Bieber, please believe it. $250,000 hanging on my collar. $500,000 in my duffel bag. Now I'm riding in my Cadillac. Hammers in them fucking bowls. I'm riding clean in them fucking hoes.
Yeah, I'm riding clean, I'm fucking hoes, I'm riding clean. Niggas selling that chain of white, fuck around with that y'all mean. Bad bitch, yeah, she talk dirty, her mouth clean. I was selling that white shit, y'all niggas had Boy Scout dreams. Spent $8 on my road, young nigga ball like Kobe. Ride around me in Chino, and my young nigga Goldie. Hot whips, you ain't Zeno, Limo, that's my road. 211 on your bitch, turn your head, she stole. My neck look like a light show, my pockets they need lipo. I stand tall, no iPhone, and them goons go wherever I go. Y'all niggas pussy like dyke hoes, all we know is get paid, nigga. I ball hard like Brian James and Rose D-Way, nigga.
I got a bad bitch in my Chevy, selling Miley Cyrus in my brand new money collar. I got that Justin Bieber, please believe it. $250,000 hanging on my collar. $500,000 in my duffel bag. Now I'm riding in my Cadillac. Hammers in them fucking Vogues. I'm riding clean in them fucking hoes.
Ain't this what they been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she tryin' bless me like I said I chew. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them tricky squeeze, I'm getting cream. Never let them hoes get in between of what we started. Little nigga, but I'm lying hearted. They love me when I was stuck and they hated when I departed. I go and get it regardless. Draw like I'm an artist, no crawling, went straight to walking with foreigns in my garages. Or foreign bitches menaging, fucking sucking and swallowing anything for $1. They tell me get him, I got him. I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. Little nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga, I'm flyer. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey, to rest in peace. Hey, to rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about? Gangsters move in silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. Was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was pretty. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Papa on the spinach. Double M, yeah, that's my T-Rose, the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the type of can to me, cash, they grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she'll ride like my ghost. I'm riding around my city with my hands strapped on my toes. Cause these niggas want me dead, and I gotta make it back home. Cause my mama need that bill money, my son needs some milk. These niggas try to take my life, they fuck around, get killed. You fuck around, get smoked. Cause these Philly niggas I pull with me don't fuck around, no joke. No, all I know is murder. When they come to me, I you touchdown in my hood. No, that tour life ain't good. Kept me down in MIA. And then he came on wood. With that Puma life in my feet. Like that little engine I could. Boy, I slide down in your block. Bike on 12 o'clock. And they be throwing deuces on the same nigga they watch. And I'm the king of my city, cause I'm still calling them shots. And these lanes talking that bullshit, the same niggas that fly. I'm the same nigga from First Street, them that braids that lot. The same nigga that came up and I had to wait for my spot. And these niggas hating